Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't made a video in like a month. I apologize for that. I kind of stopped doing the YouTube for a little bit. I got really busy at work and I just wanted to focus on one thing at a time. But right now I'm back in business, guys. The video is about to come back 100% full throttle.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the Kenya, we making a kill.
Right now the car is at the point where it's really extremely loud. Even when I'm going like 10-20 miles per hour or just like accelerating from a light. As you guys know, I'm in a car club, Underground Nation. So, you know, we go to car meets, we cruise, we do all kinds of stuff. And whenever I'm with them, I can't really like drive the car, you know, the same speed as they're driving. Especially like accelerating from a light, things like that. I have to drive it slower because I know if I do that, it's gonna be too loud. Might even get in trouble with the police. So the sound is just limiting me from having the fun with the car. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. The plan is to put the stock resonators back on instead of the Ford Performance X pipe and see how that works. I don't really know, but so this is the X pipe, Ford Performance X pipe, and then as you guys know, I have my stock exhaust right here. So I'm thinking of just putting that briefcase resonator back on the car and see if that's gonna make the car more quiet, or I can do something else. I can put the X pipe back on there, but put the stock catback, basically the stock catback with the big mufflers. So I don't know which one is gonna make it more quieter. I'm sure with the stock mufflers it's gonna be way more quieter, but I'm gonna try the briefcase resonator right now and see how that goes. Either way, I'm gonna have to cut it over here. Even if I go with the X pipe, I still need the catback, the stock catback. So either way, I'm gonna cut that one right there and then use the clamps. The X pipe has clamps, these right here. So that's the plan, guys, and I want to see how it goes. So let me go ahead and slap the resonator back on the car. Alright y'all, I've already cut the resonator off. That's how it looks like. I did it as best of a job as I could. So next up, I'm gonna connect it back to the exhaust. I still have my normal catback just hanging on there, barely. Alright y'all, the resonator is in. As y'all can see right there, I used this extra jack I had. It made everything easier just because I'm over here doing it alone. So this helps a lot to kind of hold the exhaust down and hold it up, and then while I tighten the clamps. So pro tip right there. All right, I'm gonna lower it and then we're gonna turn it on, and then we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. Why am I excited about this? And I know it's even gonna be quieter. All right, I'm gonna remote start it. Wait a minute. That actually sounds good. I'm gonna rev it a little bit and then we'll see how that sounds. I'll put the camera right here. Sheesh. All right, that sounded good. I'm not gonna lie. It's not too bad. It definitely took out that raspiness of the X pipe that you guys know about. But yeah, that was it. The car is, you know, it's quieter. It's still loud, but it's better. And then if you guys want, comment down below. And guess what? I'll do the other way around. I'll keep the X pipe on, but I'll put the factory cat back. So comment below if you want to hear how this setup will sound compared to that setup right now. But anyway, guys, that was it for today's video. Just wanted to, you know, keep you guys updated. Oh yeah, let me tell you something. So my side mirror got hit on the freeway. Y'all see it there? Something flew at it at on the freeway. Somebody in front of me ran over something. I think it was a tire or whatever. But good thing it didn't hit my, you know, my hood or my bumper. Maybe it hit it just a little bit. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so it hit somewhere. It hit right here. I'm gonna see if I can focus that. Right there, you see that, those two little lines? So whatever hit me hit there, took off the side mirror, and then also it scratched up here a little bit. Yeah, y'all see those little scratches right here? But it, you know, the side mirror is kind of expensive, like 3 something. You know, who would have known side mirrors that are that expensive? And then y'all see I don't have my headlight. My friend Omar is getting that fixed for me. He's the one that actually, you know, put the color changing lights on there for me. So for some reason on that one, the seal was not perfect. So anytime it rains, it just gets the humidity, you know, gets in there, and it starts fogging up on the inside. So he took it. He's gonna fix it. It should be done, you know, for sure this weekend. It should be done. So y'all stay tuned for that. Whenever I go, you know, pick it up, I'm gonna make a video on that, on, you know, him putting it back in, for y'all that are interested. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Remember, go to tedlock.com, get you some merch. I have t-shirts, hoodies, hats, all of that. Go support me. It really helps the channel grow. You know, y'all want to see me do cool stuff to the Mustang, so that will really help with that. Also, you know, follow me on TikTok. I do TikTok videos also, if you guys are not aware. They're actually really funny, I think. People like it. A lot of people follow me on there. What else? My Instagram, follow me on Instagram, TedLike. I made a new Instagram, TedLike_. Follow that one too. You know, 2 Instagram accounts are better than 1. That's why I have 2. But that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.